Hello and welcome to my new vlog. Guys, I did have to skip one vlogging week because I was traveling for work, but now I'm back at it. If you are new to my vloggings, then let me share with you my brief story. I have sold my successful decor business in Philadelphia area and moved across the country where nobody knows me. Here, I'm starting over. I'm opening a new balloon business and I am sharing with you my journey. This week, I'm concentrating on building your relationships and collaboration. Collaborations is a great tool for businesses regardless for its size or the industry they're in. Typically, it refers to organizations to work together in order to achieve the goal that seems to be out of reach when they are doing it alone. In my situation, this will work like a barter. Basically, I will provide my services in exchange for future referrals and the advertising at the local businesses and stores. I will share with you how I find them and how I contact them at the end of this video. But now, let me share with you what I have achieved so far. Guys, I got my first collaboration with the Denver Bazaar for the holiday festivity. Denver Bazaar is a company that helps local businesses to be visible on the market with their pop-up shops. I will be working with them 2 weekends, and today I'm going to take you for a venue tour. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Hey, are you guys ready to see it? Come on in. All right, guys, this is the space. We are lucky enough to collaborate with an amazing company called Denver Bazaar. And they are actually helping local vendors to showcase themselves. So they have a series of events for holidays, and we're lucky enough to be part of it. So come check out the space. Install we are doing is the stage decor. So here they have the drapery that is hiding whatever the background of this wall is. And what we are going to do, we are going to create a beautiful Christmas balloon wall with a lot of specialty balloons and going to finish it off with some logo vinyl. Cannot wait for you guys to see. This is the event we're working with in Denver area, the first one we collaborating with. You will see the results in the next vlog, so I cannot wait to show you guys the result. So stay tuned. Hello, you guys! New day, new opportunities to meet new people. Another way to meet new people is a networking event. And here you have several different opportunities depending on your niche. What works for me right now is the local networking groups for women and my industry networking events in Denver area. But there are so many different opportunities depending on your location and even your heritage. Now, let me quickly show you a local networking event that I'm going to today. Okay, guys, so I just arrived to a local networking event. It is going to be a women's networking event. Actually, I think it's called Both Babes Who Brunches. So I don't know, it's gonna happen right in there. Let's check it out. So you guys, the power of the networking. Here I am with a bunch of amazing, talented ladies of Denver. Yes! Yes, let me show the other side. So, there are many different types of the networking events. This one is literally women empowering women. So you can find one in your area. This one is in Denver. Super grateful for them. My first one, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be the last one. So you guys stay tuned. I'll show you where I'm going next. I know you guys wondering, where do I find all of these people? The answer is easy. It is Instagram. I simply go in a search bar on Instagram application and I just search for networking events or local events in the area. And then I will see what the hashtags are coming out or what the locations are coming out. And then I kind of go down a rabbit hole from there. The next step is to build a message. And you'll want to make it personable, always. People love people that are personable, and they're most likely to respond to them. This way, I reach out to 10 to 20 different organizations. Most of them don't answer, and some of them will ghost you. But that's okay, it's very common. But the very few ones that do answer you, you can build a relationship with in the future. Plus, I don't have a portfolio yet. I purposely don't show any of my previous work on my Instagram page because in that case, that would be so easy and we are starting from the scratch around here. So my personality will help me to build that relationship with locals because at the end of the day, this is what separates you from your competition. There are so many talented balloon artists in the area, but there's only one me. That way, so far, I got 3 collaborations for myself this upcoming month. The first one is the Denver Bazaar Holiday Pop-Up Market. There will be a lot of different business as vendors and a lot of people walking through. As they said, last year they had about 2,000 people per day walking through their pop-up market, so I will have a lot of visibility. The second one is Higher Self Gala. So this is the gala for networking group of women that have their own businesses around this area and they are interested in kind of helping each other grow. That's perfect. That's exactly what I love doing. The third one is Holidays, Mamas, and Mimosas. So this is an event more intimate for local moms and they just get together, drink, and discuss stuff. So I think that's a perfect opportunity for me as a decorator to become friends with them because these mamas have kids and these kids have birthdays and other things they want to celebrate in life. And I want to become their go-to decorator. I am spending my time and the money for balloons, yes, but I would do that in a heartbeat instead of spending thousands of dollars for the advertising that will not get me anywhere. Collaborations will make me to stand out from the crowd because at the end of the day, you are not just working an event or building a portfolio, you're building a friendship. And with every friendship, there is a commitment. And I'm not stopping there. I will be maintaining those relationships because these are the people who believed in me without seeing my portfolio or without knowing my background. So these are the people who will help me grow. That's what I got this week, and next week I will be going to local businesses. So I hope you guys are ready for it. Again, if you guys just joining us, make sure you check out our other vlogs where I went over the branding, marketing, and other steps for starting a business. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe and put that notification on so you guys don't miss the next step I'm taking in my balloon biz journey. I will see you then.